Here we go, another beautiful 2010 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair conversion van. It's a VMI Tuscany conversion, has a Ricon side entry lift, 800-pound capacity lift. It's very rare to find that. It has raised side entry doors, super duper nice, 48,000 original miles, no rust, smoke-free van, beautiful inside, beautiful outside. I'll point out any flaws I can find. A nice two-tone paint. The paint has a few imperfections around, I'll point it out, nothing crazy. Beautiful 48,000 mile van, southern van, clean Carfax, no stories, beautiful two-tone leather inside, factory navigation, backup camera, fully loaded. The lift is only a couple years old and has hardly been used at all. Hardly used at all. The lift is like a brand new lift. Super duper nice, 48,000 miles. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Give us a like, give us a follow. Been in business 46 years. We specialize in handicap vans, wheelchair vans, any antique, specialty cars. Look at this thing, it's beautiful. Power folding bench seat bed. Beautiful leather interior. You have an extra seat in the middle that can be removed anytime, taken out. It's got flat screen TV, all your lighting, wood grain, beautiful storage cabinets, window shades, super duper nice. Good tires, no rust whatsoever. As you can see, it's super clean. 800-pound wheelchair lift. I'm going to show you how that works. Giving you the tour here. This center seat can be taken out, removed. You do have in-floor tie downs. Carpet's in nice shape. Couple little signs of normal wear and tear, but overall it's very nice and clean. Doesn't smell inside. The interior on this van is absolutely gorgeous. Wood grain is nice. A little bit of sun fading from age, but overall it's super duper nice. I mean, look at that two-tone leather. You got 48,729 miles. Factory nav. Got your remotes for everything. Got your original owner's manuals here. Everything's there. Factory nav, backup camera, all the good stuff. Dual air. This lift is like 2 years old or so, and it's hardly been used at all. Super nice. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We can ship anywhere in the world. Clean Carfax all the way to 54. I'll point out there's a couple little blemishes in the clear coat on the hood. It's not faded, it just has some blemishes. And there's a couple little scratches on the roof. Just trying to point it out. And there's some blemishes on the clear coat around the van. It's not faded, is that the previous owner had some touch-ups done, and the clear coat has a few little blemishes in it, but overall it's very nice. I'm just trying to point out anything that might jump out to you if you're looking at it. There's a little dent here in the back. That's about it. Overall it's super duper nice, super clean, no rust. Again, beautiful van, 5.4 liter. Low miles. Give us a call. We accept trades. Any type of trade-in. You know where to find us. 954-561-2499. 46 years in business. This is what we do. We specialize in these vans. Handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. Let us know what you got. If you have a trade-in, we can make it work. Doesn't matter where you're located. We'll do our best to try to make it happen for you. We can deal with any organizations. We have title in-house, no problems, no issues, no stories whatsoever. Ricon lift works on the pendant. Works amazing. It's like a brand new lift, really. 48,000 miles, a super low mileage van. Needs nothing, it's ready to go. Give us a call anytime. 954-561-2499. You can text us to that number as well. Happy to help at any time. Do have the raised side entry doors. Beautiful. Don't hesitate to call us anytime if you have any questions. Happy to go over it with you. Super nice van, super nice color combination. Thank you.